A Japanese bank just announced you can earn crypto rewards on your regular savings account. And this isn't some random startup. This is a major bank with ties to the government making moves that could change how money works forever. SBI Shinsei Bank just partnered with a crypto platform to let everyday Japanese citizens earn cryptocurrency rewards just by keeping money in their bank account. Think credit card points, but instead of airline miles, you're stacking digital assets that could actually appreciate in value. This is massive because Japan isn't messing around. They're one of the most crypto-friendly governments on Earth, and when their banks start integrating crypto, the rest of the world pays attention. Here's what's actually happening. SBI Shinsei Bank is working with a platform that will reward depositors with cryptocurrency. Now, the Nikkei report specifically mentions this involves tokens like XRP, and that's not random. XRP is part of something called ISO 20022, and if you don't know what that is yet, you need to understand it right now, because it's literally the future of how banks talk to each other. Let me break down ISO 20022 in plain English. Right now, when banks send money across borders, they use old systems that are slow, expensive, and can't carry much information. It's like sending a postcard when you need to send a whole package. ISO 20022 is the new global standard that lets banks send way more data with every transaction. Things like invoice details, tax information, everything, and it's faster and cheaper. Here's why this matters to you. Certain cryptocurrencies like XRP, Stellar, Algorand, Hedera, and Quant were built to work with ISO 20022. They're designed to plug into this new banking system. So when a major Japanese bank starts rewarding people with these specific tokens, they're not just giving away random crypto. They're integrating assets that are compatible with the future financial infrastructure. Think about what this actually means. You wake up, check your bank account, and instead of earning 0.01% interest, you're accumulating crypto that's designed to move money between banks globally. Japan is essentially testing a bridge between traditional banking and the crypto economy, and they're using their own citizens as the pilot program. SBI Group, the parent company, has been all in on crypto for years. They're investors in Ripple, the company behind XRP. They run crypto exchanges. They're not experimenting. They're building the infrastructure for what comes next. And now they're bringing millions of regular Japanese bank customers into the crypto ecosystem without those people even needing to understand wallets or exchanges. This is the adoption pathway nobody talks about. Everyone focuses on Bitcoin hitting new highs or some new dog coin going viral. But the real revolution is boring banks in Japan quietly integrating ISO 20022 tokens into everyday banking services. Your grandma isn't going to download MetaMask, but she might keep her savings in a bank that happens to reward her with XRP. Now, Japan has strict crypto regulations, but they're clear regulations. The government approved this. That's completely different from the regulatory chaos in the United States, where nobody knows what's legal next week. Japan is showing the world how to integrate crypto properly through regulated banks with consumer protections, making it simple and safe. Here's what to watch for next. First, see if other Japanese banks copy this model. If they do, Japan could have millions of people holding ISO 20022 tokens within a year. Second, watch if this spreads to other countries. South Korea has similar crypto-friendly regulations. Singapore too. If this bank deposit reward model works in Japan, it could go global fast. Also pay attention to which specific tokens they choose for rewards. The article mentions XRP, but ISO 20022 includes multiple cryptocurrencies. The tokens that major banks actually integrate will have massive advantages over everything else. We're talking about real utility, not just speculation. This is how the game changes. Not with a bang, but with a Japanese bank quietly letting people earn crypto on their savings. The infrastructure is being built right now, and most people have no idea it's happening. Now, this is educational content only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. What works in Japan's regulatory environment might be completely different where you live. Follow Stack Daily 60 for daily crypto and money tips.